कैसे हैं आप सब। वेलकम बैक टू न्यू वीडियो। सो गाइस, आज के इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ कि कैसे आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हो इंग्लिश बोलना। हाउ कैन यू स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश इन अ वेरी इजी मैनर। इफ़ यू आर अ बिगिनर, this is the video for you. So today we are gonna have some tips, we are gonna have some tricks, and I will tell you that where you should apply them and where you should not apply them. So basically, if you are a native English speaker, so you just have to speak, and the boundaries between you and English will break, and then there is no boundary between you and English, and hence you can become a good English speaker. So it's not a big deal to be a English speaker because nowadays everyone can speak English, approximately everyone. Okay, so just think that if they can do it, why can't I? You can also do it, right? It's just the thing of courage that they have the courage to make mistakes. And if you are afraid of speaking English, I'm sorry, but you don't have the courage to speak English. You don't have the courage to make mistakes. If you have a courage to make mistakes, you can learn anything. Because sometimes when we are the beginners, we just commit some mistakes while speaking. We just commit some grammatical mistakes, some mistakes related to vocabulary, and pronunciation is sometimes like this and that. So it's not a thing to worry. If you are a beginner, it's really not a thing to worry, because everyone is like, no one is born uh, like no one is born by learning it. What can we say? Just see, like, I'm not afraid of committing mistakes. So right now I was just committing a mistake. You just saw that. And it's a human right to commit mistakes. Yes, it is a it is our birthright to commit mistakes. Nothing can be done if you don't commit mistakes. Like if you are learning maths, in the beginning you will commit some mistakes. After that you will understand that what was your mistake, and next time you will try that. You will not repeat that mistake again. Same goes to English. Why can't you understand it? Just practice it. Then, like, what you can do now, like for practicing, what you can do, what are the tips which you can apply in your daily life to enhance your English speaking? So first of all, you just have to narrate your day at the end of the day when you are just about to sleep. Before going to bed, you just have to narrate your whole day in English. Like I woke up in the morning, then I got ready, and I left the house. I went to school, then I came back. Then after that, I ate my favorite dish. Then I watched my favorite videos and something. So this can be the narration of your whole day, and you just have to remember the things which you did in your whole day, and this will just you're speaking to yourself by doing this. So this will not create any awkward moment or any embarrassment for you, and it is only beneficial for you, because your English practice is also there in this process. And if you just like forget something, yeah, I did this, I just forgot that I have to continue this today, or you have to do any preparations which you forgot to do, so now you have some time to do that. Like I went to school and the maths teacher told me to make a maths project, and you forgot. Then, just while narrating your whole day, you remembered that the maths teacher gave us the project. So now you have time. You're not too late. Yes, you're late, but not too late. So it is beneficial for you, and you can just try this out. You can also narrate the events which are interesting for you, like any event or anything happened which is so like nice in your perspective. It is like you feel it is interesting if you tell it to others. So you can just narrate it in English by yourself, and believe me, you will gain interest in that while doing this. And after that, you just have to avoid learning the things word by word. You just have to read the sentence and create in your mind, like, I wrote a sentence. What did I wrote? Wait a minute. Okay, so let me just get a sentence and I will tell you what was the sentence which I wrote and what was the sentence which I really remembered. So I just wrote a sentence, and that sentence was, a term cytoplasm refers to everything between the cell membrane and the nuclear envelope. Now, what did I understand? Cytoplasm, I understood that cytoplasm is a term which is referring to everything between the cell membrane and the nuclear envelope, like between nucleus and cell membrane, everything which is present between nucleus and cell membrane, that is called cytoplasm. Okay, so that's what I understood by this sentence. And you don't have to learn it, you don't have to learn it word by word. Just the thing you have to do is you have to remember the meaning. Okay, if you remember the meaning, sentences are not so difficult to get framed if you frame them. Okay, so just try and you will be able to do that if you believe in yourself. So just keep some belief in yourself that if everyone can, then I can also do that. If everyone can do that, then I can also do that. Okay. Then if you like, if you get introduced to any new word, for example, like you can take any new word which is so much new for you. Like I will take a word as what should I take as an example? Let's take gorgeous. So, if someone asks me that, how am I looking? So, maybe I would have said, you look good, you look pretty, you look beautiful, you look fantastic, you look great. Then I just heard the word gorgeous. I got to know its meaning, and now if someone will ask me that, how do I look? So I can just reply them, you look gorgeous. What does it indicate? It indicates that if you get introduced to any new word which is new for you and its meaning you use in your daily life, so you should use that word daily and get used to that word. If you learn something, you must use it. Learning is never wasted until you don't use it. Okay. So guys, that's all for today. Hope you liked the video. If you um like realize that this video was really interesting or this video was a bit of helpful, then please like this video, subscribe my channel, and please drop a comment down there. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.